Welcome viewers and subscribers. Today I'm live on location once more at the Cashew Grove Housing Development, and this is located in Irwin St. James. That's about 5 to 10 minutes drive from downtown Montego Bay. And I must tell you that this is a very peaceful community. It's a lovely area with beautiful views. I want you to hit the subscription button at the bottom right hand corner of the video, and this is in order for you to follow the videos that I'll be posting periodically with pertinent information where building one's own home is concerned. In today's video, which is a two-part video, I'll be focusing on the work that goes into the preparation for a concrete slab roof. I'll be showing you the actual work. I'll be going through details and certain specification wherein this whole setup is concerned. I'll be moving right now to show you exactly what I'm talking about. And I have a pointer, which I don't know if you can see it in the video. Yes, you should be able to see it. I'm below now. I'm below, and I'm showing you the carpentry, the carpentry work that is set up for the concrete slab roof. I don't know if you can see, but you have a total about, I don't know if you can, yeah, you should be able to see my pointer. Yes, it's in the video now. You have a total of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2x4 going that way, and above those 2x4 lumber is the actual plyboard, and just below those 6 2x4 you have another set of 2x4 going the other way. I think you have, in this little room here, you have 3, 1, 2, 3 going that way. And it is critical in the setup, the location of these 2x4 lumber should be set up at a particular distance from each other, which is for the 6 going in that direction. That's these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 14 inches apart. Yes, they are 14 inches apart. That's the distance between this one and this one and that one. Distance is, the standard distance is 14 inches apart. And then for the 3 set up in the other direction, which is these, they are 3 feet apart, and giving support to these are wooden shores. And in this little room you have 6 of these shores, and that is adequate to hold up the weight of the concrete that will be poured on top. I'll be moving to another room, so just bear with me. A much bigger room to show you the same thing. It's kind of dark in this room, so that's why I chose the other room first. Yes, again you can see much more 2x4, but they are 14 inches apart in one direction, and for the other direction they are 3 feet apart. So when you're constructing your own home, this you can use as a guide to ask pertinent questions of your builder if he's following the specification, the required specification, because you don't want to be building your house and in the middle of doing your concrete slab roof the whole thing just collapse on you. So you want to set up this carefully. So this is my intention, to bring information like this to you, the owner, so that you can at least know what to look for, know what to look out for. Because you have a lot of persons posing as builders and sometimes they're not following the specification, the best practices, you understand? So this section of the video is actually under the whole setup, and the next part that I'll be posting will be dealing with the work that goes into it on top. Remember to subscribe to this channel to follow the other videos I'll be posting from time to time. I'm gonna cut the video here and I'm gonna go on top to show you the work on top, which is much more than what you'll be seeing down below. So I am out.